For the largest and clearest view into your cargo compartment available that does not expose your personnel to hazardous vapors, vessel operators depend on ERL Commercial Marine Incorporated's SGM-1 sight glass. The viewing area is a full 59 square inches. The unit is easily mounted adjacent to each cargo compartment control valve. The standard model SGM-1 is solidly constructed and includes a weather cover, a latch, 3/4 inch thick ground and polished BoroFloat glass, fully stress-relieved, with ground edges and radiused corners that can be ordered with or without holes, a Teflon lower seal, and dual Teflon wipers that are easily replaced in the field and available in a wide variety of materials. To install the SGM-1, the deck mounting flange is attached to the bottom of the sight glass by 4 bolts. Remove the 4 bolts and save them, storing the sight glass upside down while welding the flange. To perform the welding, tack weld the deck mounting flange in place. Do not clamp it to the deck in any way prior to tack welding. Use a 1/8 inch diameter welding rod. Set welder to approximately 125 amps. For MIG, use .045 fix at approximately 195 amps. The deck cutout dimensions are 11 1/8 inch by 5 1/8 inch. Perform inside welds for both lengths and both ends. Finish by welding the outside perimeter for both lengths and both ends. Sandwich the Teflon mounting flange gasket between the bottom of the sight glass and the top surface of the deck mounting flange. Apply Rector Seal T+2 or Teflon-enriched sealant to the Teflon mounting flange gasket to ensure there are no leaks. Install all 12 mounting bolts finger tight and proceed to tighten them in an opposite rotational pattern to a torque of 12 foot-pounds. The full-view model SGM-1 sight glass should be mounted adjacent to the cargo control valve handwheel with an unobstructed view of the sump and the ladder or gauge tree. Never mount the sight glass over an internal frame, which blocks the view through the sight glass. Vessel operators depend on ERL Commercial Marine.